What's the meaning of accessibility? Accessibility. 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 Accessibility is the degree to which a product, service, or environment is usable by people with disabilities. It is important to consider accessibility when designing products and services, as it can help to ensure that everyone can use them. There are many different types of disabilities, so it is important to be inclusive and design for a wide range of users. Some common accessibility features include closed captions for videos, text alternatives for images, keyboard navigation, zooming capabilities, high contrast text, color-blind friendly designs. By making products and services more accessible, we can help to create a more inclusive world.